everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing excellent. So today I have wonderful topic, quite different topic. Some YouTuber told it's 30 days challenge, 40 days challenge, 90 days challenge, and 3-month challenge, and then you become a fluent speaker. How is it possible, yeah? It's not possible. So that's why in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to become a fluent English speaker. It's not possible to only 3 months and within a 1 month and within a only 24 days and 40 days. It's not possible to achieve fluency. Yes. So that's why in this video, I'm gonna break this myth. Yes. Why I break? Because it's totally myth, and why I want to this kind of thumbnail they put, the reason is they want to grab a people. So that's why they want to attention people. They want to more views. So that's why. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to overcome a fear and how to become a fluent speaker. And if you are new, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon whenever I upload related to English, Hindi content, so you get a notification easily and then you learn English very easily. So first we will discuss related to why people told like it's 30 days, 40 days and 3 months. Yes, why they want to make this kind of thumbnail. The reason is they want to grab a people. They want to attention. So that's why. It's totally myth, guys. If you really want to improve your spoken English, so you have to read, write and speaking. Whatever you want to. It's totally myth, like it's 30 days, it's 20 days, it's 3 months. This is not a cup of tea to learn English very easily. It takes too much time. I will give one example which is related to native speakers. Native speakers also made a mistake. Why? The reason is they struggling. Still they are struggling because there is, fancy words. So that's why. Sometimes they want to talk like have some topic, but sometimes they spoke, wrong sentence. And what about Indian people? We are a diversity, we have different kind of language, different kind of culture. Some people speak, they have mother tongue. Tamil, Telugu, Odia, Bihari and Chhattisgarhi. There is number of language, but we are not good at our mother tongue and we are not good at even Hindi also. When we will speak in Hindi, so that times we speak wrong sentence. We are not good at Hindi, we are not good at our mother tongue. The reason is no anyone fluent, even mother tongue, even native speakers also, they don't know. Sometimes they stop because sometimes we are lacking what we want to speak. And I will give one example related to me, guys. I completed 9 months, but still I am struggling related to make a video. Sometimes what happens when I will make a video, so that times I attempt many times. No, it's not good. No, it's not good to apply and upload this video. You have to try again. So these kind of things. No anyone perfect in English. It takes too much time. We are habitual to speak in Hindi. Every day we are habitual, like we want to speak Hindi, but we are struggling. related to Hindi. And when it's come to the English it's second language. It's take too much time. Let's talk about celebrity. I will give one example, which is Kangana Ranaut. Everyone knows she is a very good actress, Indian actress, and she is a politician also. In a beginning time, so that time she made a lot of mistake when it's come to the speaking. So that time she speak very, incorrect sentence. But now she speak very well in English. The reason is practice.
I am today, I can speak a word of English. And if you don't speak English, how do you expect to work in Hindi films?
And if you want to really overcome fear, overcome your hesitation, and you really want to become a fluent speaker, so you have to speak, you have to record your session, and one day you will definitely good at English. I'm not talking about you speak like very pro. Sometimes we also, when you will pro, so that times you also made a mistake. I already told now, even native speakers also made a lot of mistake. And another, I will give one example, which is sunscreen. I have good sunscreen. I'm not promoting you, but some people told Lavanya, you are owner of the salon, so please suggest what kind of sunscreen I will apply, so it's helpful for my skin. So when you will buy sunscreen, so that time there is some description. So there is like when you will apply, so you become fair and you become light skin. So this kind of every cream, when you will buy 5 rupees cream, 10 rupees cream, and even 20 and 1,000, like a number of price. And when you will buy, so that time there is a fairness, like this is the fairness cream, and then you will apply, so you become a fair. This is not possible. It's totally me. अगर थोड़ा थोड़ा आप डेली बेसिस पे अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो हल्का चेंजेस दिखेगा, और आप बोलोगे कि मैं एकदम डार्क से एकदम गोरा हो जाऊं, तो दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. एंड व्हाई आई गिव दिस एग्जांपल, द रीजन इज some YouTuber told like it's 30 days challenge, it's 40 days challenge. कोई 30 days challenge 40 days challenge नहीं होता है. अगर आपको एक्चुअल में इंग्लिश सीखना है तो यू हैव टू मेंटेन कंसिस्टेंसी. विदाउट कंसिस्टेंसी इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल टू अचीव योर फ्लुएंसी. आप कुछ भी चीज लेकर के देख लो, जब तक आप कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं है, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल टू अचीव योर फ्लुएंसी. आई ऑलरेडी मेंशन, आप 5 रुपए का भी क्रीम खरीद लो, 10 रुपए का भी क्रीम खरीद लो, उसमें आपको फेयरनेस के जो डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिखा रहेगा ये लगाओ, तो उससे आप एक्चुअल में आप फेयरनेस होते हो नहीं होते. कंटिन्यूसली आप लगाते जाओ, पता नहीं कब तक हो रहे, तो थोड़ा सा फर्क पड़ता है. एंड व्हाट अबाउट इंग्लिश? तो इंग्लिश क्या है, आप प्रैक्टिस करते जाओ एंड देन वन डे यू विल डेफिनेट. बट ये लॉन्ग लाइफ जर्नी है, ये कभी खत्म नहीं होगा. जैसे हम एक क्रीम को लगाते हैं, लॉन्ग लाइफ जर्नी रहता है, जब ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है तो दूसरा. एंड व्हेन इट्स कम टू द celebrity, like I will give example, Vipasa Basu, Kajol, Deepika Padukone. There is number of celebrity in a earlier like beginning time, so they are fully dark skin, like dusty skin, but now they are very fair. The reason is they are using some Botox treatment, there is some filler treatment, and there is some glutathione. So that's why अगर सच में आपको खूब पैसा खर्चा करना है, अपने आप को स्किन को मेंटेन करना है, तो ये सब इंजेक्शन आपको लेने पड़ेंगे, एंड देन आप ऑटोमेटिकली बिकम अ फेयर. तो उसके लिए भी आपको इंग्लिश से, लाइक इंग्लिश में मैं क्यों जोड़ रही हूँ ये सबको, क्योंकि कुछ भी चीज पाना है तो उसके लिए आपको थोड़ा सा मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा सा पैसा खर्चा करना पड़ेगा, एंड देन यू विल डेफिनेटली अचीव व्हाट यू वांट. विदाउट मनी, विदाउट पेन, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल टू अचीव any kind of fluency, any kind of goal. So how is my video? If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब करो, शेयर करो. मुझे भी जल्दी मेरे चैनल को मोनेटाइज करवाना है, क्योंकि 1 साल होने को आया, 1 साल के बाद होता नहीं है बोलते हैं, तो प्लीज आप लोग सब्सक्राइब करो एंड शेयर करो। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, देखते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो क्या होने वाला है। तब तक के लिए बाय एंड टेक केयर। यस, शैडोइंग प्रैक्टिस से लेकर क्या होगी, और एक और आप लोग को इन्फॉर्मेशन देना चाहूंगी कि आप लोग को सबको पता है मैं ब्यूटिशियन हूँ, प्लस मेरा सैलून है। तो सच में आप लोग को कुछ ऐसे वीडियो चाहिए जिसमें क्या क्या लगाएं, क्या क्या स्किन केयर करें तो उससे हमारा स्किन अच्छा होगा। तो प्लीज आप लोग ज्यादा से ज्यादा कमेंट करो एंड शेयर करो इस वीडियो को। तो वन डे आई विल डेफिनेटली अपलोड रिलेटेड टू स्किन केयर रूटीन। ओके, तब तक के लिए बाय एंड टेक केयर।